Let's learn how to remove animations and speed up your mobile. Now I open some applications. You can see a small animation preview on these applications. Let's learn how to remove this animation. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down this page and go to accessibility option. Click on this visibility enhancement option. Now you can enable this remove animations option. Now I enable it. Okay, after again I open some applications. Now you cannot see a animation preview. It is opening very fastly. In this method you can speed up your mobile.